even though I have shown you some of the uses for the remove tool, which is a pretty new tool in Photoshop, I just love it and I want to talk about it one more time. So I'm going to go to File and Open. I love using the remove tool. I will go to my Chapter 9 folder and 9.5, the remove tool. This has made photo retouching so darn basic. So I just want to take out the date on this photo. I don't want people to know how long ago I took that. I'm going to hit Command J to duplicate the layer. That would be Control J on a PC. And the problem is, this is going over fabric and then a lot of plant detail. I don't want to take all that time to touch this up, so I'm just going to go to my remove tool. I'll just let Photoshop take care of it. We'll just make that big. I'll go right over the numbers 0 and 5. Let's see what that does. Let's see if it keeps that little line right there in the sleeve. That is perfect. I am in love with this tool. I'm going to dream about the remove tool. I love her. So let's go over here and let's go over the 29. I'm going to do it little bits at a time just to make sure it is keeping up with what I want it to do. That looks great. Let's take out the 2005. Like, I really barely have to think about this. That is so unbelievably easy to do. Wow. I'm in love with it. Unbelievable. That's it. All the rest of the photo looks great. I'm just going to go to save a copy. I just didn't want the date in there. Last name, first name, remove date. I'll keep that as a JPEG on my desktop, and I will save everything I do as high quality JPEGs. Awesome. I'll see you next time.